Crazy. Honest. Stop it. Ash on the floor. I'm cash. So
okay guys, and we're back to it. Okay, nobody requested videos on my channel, but y'all almost dropped my phone. Oh my god, I have no screen protector on it. I'm not dropping this. Whew. Okay y'all, I'm sorry, but this is a 5 things I like about my 07 Crown Vic Police Interceptor. And the first thing, like I always say, I love my tint. The sun's out right now, so you can really, you can kind of see, you can see through it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see that on video. And then the front tint, you can see through it because the sun's out, but at nighttime it's really dark. But I have 5% all the way around. For those of you that don't know, that's freaking illegal, you know what I'm saying? 30 in the front, it's 30, I think it's 30 in the front, not 20. 30 in the front, 5% all around. It's illegal in Texas to have front tint, and it's illegal to have 5% on the front driver and passenger side windows. I think the legal amount in Texas is 20%, 25, I think it's 25. Because I remember I had 20 on my white Mustang I used to have, and they said it was too dark and I couldn't get my car inspected, which is really stupid to me. I don't know why, but it's 5%. This is 5%. Yeah, you can see, you can kind of see through it on this side. Let me see if I can zoom in and see. I can see the heck now. But let me see. About to get my keys in my pocket. I don't know what state you guys are in. Comment below what y'all state's regulations are to, you know, because I want to know how they go about, you know, their tents and stuff. Okay, and look, see, it's not bad during the daytime, but at night that's when you get like, you know, wow, it's kind of dark in here, you know, looking hella close, being hella close to the dash, you know. This is a Police Interceptor. The regular models have 120 on the dash, I believe, and it doesn't look bad from the inside. Like, you can really see on the inside during the daytime, and at nighttime you like, dang, is anybody in there? I like my privacy, guys. I like it. I love it, because nobody can really see me. It's funny because when I am at a drive light or something, people don't scoot up to me, and plus they can't see inside, so it's kind of funny to me, you know. It's really, really funny. And number 2 is my exhaust. I'm gonna give y'all a little exhaust, you know, no cold starting because I already started the car a while earlier. I got a muffler delete, and I don't know if these are 5-inch tips, I can't remember, but I love them. It's still legal, you know. I don't want to cut my cats off because that's illegal, and you're not gonna pass emissions with that, and it's too freaking loud. As you guys know, my Mustang that I used to have, I had a 04 Mustang GT, and that was stupid loud. I had an off-road X-pipe and a SLP catback exhaust, which is basically straight pipe, you might as well say, with no cats, if that makes sense. I don't know how to make it make sense, but like it was loud, y'all. It was so loud. And this is the same motor that's in the Vic. In my Mustang that's in the Vic. It's just the 4-door. It's clean right. I love it. Y'all, it just looks so pretty. Like, excuse the tire back there. You know, brought a little rubber the other day. You know, it has its flaws with the paint and stuff, but you know, it's clean, ain't it? Let me take a good little picture on my phone real quick. I'm racing the Mustang today. Y'all gonna catch that video. Upload it probably next week or sometime this week. Let me give y'all an exhaust clip. Let me make sure camera's all set up. Yeah, but that's, you know, the RPM is steady going down, so I couldn't really give it a lot of rev in there. People, there's neighbors outside, you know, working. And yeah, that's the muffler delete. You know, I think it's the best bang for your buck whenever you have a V8 or whatever, because it makes the car sound not too drony. When I'm in the car, it sounds like it's drony, but not as bad as my Mustang. Like, the drone was really, really bad. Like, I had to turn the music all the way up just for me to not hear the loud exhaust. But they say, why you get an exhaust? Hey, Brent, why you get an exhaust if, you know, you want to turn up the music and not hear it? Because it was really, really, really loud. I didn't think it was going to be that loud, but it's loud. Number three, guys. That's number 2, so number 3. I just locked the door. I don't know why I locked the door. Yeah, I need to get one of these key fobs, because these Polish interceptors come with no key fob thingy. So I gotta buy a little thing for the inside of the door panel to do, so I can unlock and lock my door. Because I'm not paying $200 something just for them to put a remote start in my car. No, it's the radio. I really like the radio. Let me turn it on for you guys. This is a Enon radio. It's really, I like it in my opinion. I got it saying 4. You can customize whatever thing you wanna, whatever logo you want, and it does have Apple CarPlay. That's people's questions. Like that was my main concern when buying a radio for this car. And the tablet does come off. I don't feel like taking it off right now because it's starting up right now. It's an Enon radio. I think it was like $240 or less than that. Y'all can look it up. It's yeah, it barely fit in there, guys, because this little long dash trim up here comes out. So yeah, see, look, there's phone link. I'm gonna connect my phone so that way you guys can see who is that. Look at that. But watch this. You're gonna see it pop up. It's gonna say phone detected. Sometimes my charge, don't excuse my take, guys, like my charger broke, and I don't know, these iPhone chargers are very weak, or maybe because I be slanging it and throwing it around. But there you go, guys. It looks just like my Honda, the screen. But the tablet's a little, you know, pixelated because, you know, it's an Android tablet. It's not gonna be the best of the best, but it does do the job. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It came with the Wi-Fi antenna is somewhere in there. It's right here. The Wi-Fi antenna and the GPS. It's 2 of these. They both look the same. There's no point for me to show y'all both, but they both look the same. And it has everything you need. You can go on, like, it has Wi-Fi, so built-in Wi-Fi. I mean, yeah. So you can connect to somebody's Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi, download games. You know, I have a couple apps on here. Netflix, YouTube. It comes with YouTube, I think. And then QE TV, you can watch, you know what I'm saying, all the new movies. It does have lights on at night, but you can't, I don't know if y'all can, nah, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. When I turn my lights on, my headlights on, these lights right here flash. You can change to whatever color you want. Boom. That's number 3. Number 4. Let me turn my car off now. Like, I really like the radio, guys. This is really the best bang for your buck. Number 4 is the seats. Dog barking, shut up. The seats. You know what I'm saying? Really, really comfortable. I could drive hours in these seats without my back or my ass hurting, y'all. My butt be hurting in my Honda. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Sometimes when I sit for a very, very long time, my butt hurts. Has, you know what I'm saying, it's a little dirty. Don't, you know, it's 07, okay. They're really comfortable. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just, you know, I just love this car, man. This is my baby. Honda comes first, though. It's my daily. For sure. Make sure I got my keys in my pocket, because, you know, if you lock these in the car, I don't know if you can even get in this car. Try to get the keys out if it ever got stuck. The seats, you know, it's very spacious in this car. God dang it, man. Alright. See, with these police cars, they took off the knob so people won't, you know, get out the car, I guess, whenever they have them in the back seat right there. I had bought these things for it, but they're way too long. And yeah, it's very, very spacious. Like, you could probably fit really 3-4 people up there if you wanted to. I mean, 3 people. We could really put 2 people in one seat. One person can sit on that floor right there in between this thing right here. You know what I'm saying? The back seat. It's just spacious, man. The back seat is really clean. No tears in the seats, but the front seats are the ones that's kind of messed up. I mean, they ain't messed up bad, but they're just dirty. You know what I'm saying? But it's an 07. What do you expect? These cars been through hell and back with these police cars. My fifth and only thing is the trunk, y'all. Ain't gonna lie. For the dead body back here. Nah, I'm lying. I'm just kidding, y'all. I could never. Let me show y'all. The trunk. Y'all ready for this? I don't think y'all ready. Here's the radio for you guys. It kind of got smushed by the trunk because I keep it in the corner. But this is the radio. The big box. You know what I'm saying? When you buy this radio, you have to buy like the harness from AutoZone, because the harness, one of the harnesses I had bought from Amazon really didn't fit, so I had to go to AutoZone and buy me the radio little harness. But here's the radio right here, the box for it. I have a lot of stuff back here. Speakers, Kenwood. You know, I have no M4 yet, so they're not hooked up. But look at this trunk space, y'all. It's immaculate. Hell yeah, dude. But yeah, the trunk space. That's, man, like, look how big it look back here. Like, when I first got this car, I'm like, bro, what the heck? You can fit about, I don't know how many groceries in here. You can fit like 2 dead bodies back here. I mean, I wouldn't kill nobody, no murder nobody. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, like, that's crazy, ain't it? I got my tools and stuff back here. Like, I don't keep nothing in my Honda, you know what I'm saying? Because it's, you know, this is, I don't race in this car, so that's why everything's in here. But yeah, that's it, you know what I'm saying? 5 things I like about my car. Like, look at it, guys. The tires look a little dusty. Put a little tire shine, it'll be looking good. But just look at it. It looks so good. Like, I love it. But that's the end of this video, y'all. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon, guys. I'm trying to be consistent. I couldn't really upload when it's snowing because I can't do anything in the snow. Like, I like to go out. But the only thing I did was drip, but I got videos on that too. That's coming soon. My arm itching. Look at that. But that's the end of this video, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate y'all feedback. Comment. I like you guys commenting on my videos. A lot of you guys don't comment. Just comment on my channel. Comment back, add me on my social medias. I'll be down to have a conversation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And that's the end of this video. Peace.